Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to test your vitamin D levels at home. Understanding your vitamin D status is crucial for overall health, and home testing offers a convenient way to monitor it. We'll cover the different types of kits available and guide you through the simple steps for accurate sample collection. Getting reliable results starts with following the instructions carefully to ensure precision. Once you've decided to test, selecting a reputable kit is key. Look for kits from certified laboratories to ensure accuracy and reliability. Always read and follow the specific instructions provided with your chosen kit for collecting your sample. Proper storage and timely mailing of your sample are also essential to maintain its integrity and get the most accurate results back quickly. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic read. You can find the link for it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. After sending your sample, the next step is understanding what your results mean. Your report will typically show your vitamin D levels, often indicating if they are optimal, insufficient, or deficient. It's important to remember that these ranges can vary slightly. Always discuss your specific results with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice and recommend the best course of action for your health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.